Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sufyan. I am studying in International Medical University. Today we will discuss drugs affecting on thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is a vital hormone gland. It plays a major role in the metabolism, growth, and development of human body. It helps to regulate many body functions by constantly releasing a steady amount of thyroid hormones into the bloodstream. If the body needs some energy in certain situations, for instance, if it is growing or cold or during pregnancy, the thyroid gland produces more hormones. This organ is found at the front of neck under the voice box. It is butterfly shaped. The two side lobes lie against and around the windpipe and are connected at the front of a narrow strip of tissue. The thyroid weight between 20 and 60 grams on average. It is surrounded by two fibrous capsules. The outer capsule is connected to the voice box, muscles, and many important vessels and nerves. There is loose connective tissue between the inner and outer capsule so the thyroid can move and change its position when we swallow. Thyroid hormone regulates the body metabolic rate, controlling heart, muscles, and digestive functions, brain development, and bone maintenance. Its correct functioning depends on a good supply of iodine from diet. Goiter. An enlarged thyroid gland due to any cause is called a goiter. For the gland to the palpable is must be at least 40 gram. A patient with goiter may be euthyroid, hyperthyroid, or hypothyroid. Hypothyroidism, also called underactive thyroid, low thyroid, or hypothyrosis, is a disorder of endocrine system in which the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormone. Symptoms of underactive thyroid: tiredness, being sensitive to cold, weight gain, constipation, depression, low movements and thoughts, muscles acne, and weakness, muscles cramps. Cretinism, congenital hypothyroidism, underactivity of thyroid gland at birth, which results in growth retardation, development delay, and other abnormal features. Cretinism can be due to deficiency of iodine in mother's diet during pregnancy. Hyperthyroidism, overactive thyroid, occurs when the thyroid gland produces too much of the hormone thyroxine. Hyperthyroidism can accelerate body's metabolism, causing unintentional weight loss and a rapid or irregular heartbeat. Several treatments are available for hyperthyroidism. Symptoms of an overactive thyroid or hyperthyroidism are nervousness, anxiety, irritability, mood swings, difficulty for sleeping, persistence, tiredness and weakness, sensitivity to heat, swelling in the neck from an enlarged thyroid gland. We can say goiter, an irregular and or unusual fast heart rate, palpitations, twitching or trembling. Anti-thyroperoxidase antibody. Standard treatment for Hashimoto disease is levothyroxine. Thus, the synthetic form of thyroxine. However, extracts are available that contain thyroid hormone derived from the thyroid glands of pigs. Levothyroxine, brand's name Levoxel, synthroid and unithyroid. Levothyroxine oral tablet is used to treat hypothyroidism. It is also used to treat goiter and certain types of thyroid cancer. Levothyroxine comes in three forms: an oral tablet or oral capsule and an injectable solution. Internal doses from 25 mcg to 300 mcg. And half-life of levothyroxine is 6 to 7 days. The more common side effects of levothyroxine can include increased appetite, weight loss, heat sensitivity, excessive sweating, headache, hyperactivity, nervousness, and anxiety.